Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up the fingerprint sensor in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get started. First, press Windows +I on your keyboard to open Settings. In Windows 10, go to Accounts, Sign-in Options. In Windows 11, go to Accounts, Sign-in Options as well, but the layout may look a little different. Next, under Ways to sign in, look for fingerprint recognition. Windows Hello. Click on Setup, then select Get Started. If you don't already have a PIN, Windows will ask you to create one. This is required as a backup sign-in method. Enter your new PIN and confirm it. Now, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift and rest your finger several times until Windows has a full scan of your fingerprint. If you want, you can add more than one finger by choosing Add another finger. Once setup is complete, you can now use your fingerprint to unlock your PC, sign into apps, and even make secure purchases. And that's it. Your fingerprint sensor is now ready to use in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.